You want fast and fresh brew? This is the coffee maker for you. Keurig's K-Elite coffee maker with almost 50,000 user ratings. This is the #1 bestseller in single-serve brewers, currently priced at only $129.99. What's in the box? One water filter handle and one filler to help ensure your beverages taste their absolute best. Brew hot over ice at the touch of a button for full-flavored delicious iced coffee. It increases the strength and bold taste of your coffee's flavor with a strong brew button. Perfect for instant soups or oatmeal. You can adjust the brew temperature between 187 degrees and 192 degrees. The large 75-ounce water reservoir allows you to brew 8 cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine.